Brick ranch style home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,500 square feet, covered deck and fenced in backyard on 1.5 acres on Lake Hartwell. Open floor plan, den with wood burning fireplace/gas logs. Carpet and tile flooring. Kitchen has a breakfast bar, beautiful granite countertops, and includes a cooktop with a separate built-in convection/oven and dishwasher. Master suite features a full bath with tub/shower combo and 2 large closets. Laundry/mud room has built-in cabinets, countertops, a pantry and a door leading to an attached carport. Double detached carport and large separate garage/workshop. This property could easily be divided into separate lots. Property borders Corp of Engineers/Lake Hartwell. Although this is not dockable, you do have lake access and a great spot to fish. Architectural shingles. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1996 mobile home with 1,216 square feet needs completely remodeled/updated and is for sale by the seller for an additional $10,000.